My project name is Earthquake Detector Alarm. Now there are three waves in earthquake: P wave, S wave, L wave. The P wave stands for primary wave, S wave stands for secondary wave, and L wave stands for lower waves. Now I will tell you how this works. Inside here there is one 9-volt battery, one buzzer and one switch. This wood we can take easily from any thing from our house. The cardboard from we get whenever our father or mother brings it for new things. Inside that is 25 rupees 9-volt battery, 160 rupees buzzer and 110 rupees switch. These wires and this nutboard we can get easily in our toolbox. And the advantages of this project is that it can wake you up and alert you the moment the earthquake starts, so that you can tend to your family members or take cover. This alarm can eliminate confusion, save valuable seconds, and provide a peace of mind. Thank you.